Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Recently, the government of Uttar Pradesh has renamed Kakuri Kand to Kakuri Train Action, as Kand refers to the sense of humiliation of the incident during India's freedom struggle. The Kakuri Train Action, that was a train robbery committed by the revolutionaries of Hindustan Republican Associations against the British Raj on 9th of August 1925 in a village called Kakuri near Lucknow. The robbery was carried out by different revolutionary like Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Rajendra Lahiri, Keshav, Chakrabarti, Mukundilal, and Banwarilal, and so on. Whereas Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Roshan Singh were hanged, while others were sentenced to lifetime. This image that you see here is the original image taken during the British period, consists of all the heroes of Kakori train action, as you can see here in the image. Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajendra Nath Lahiri, and all the revolutionaries are here. You can also take a screenshot of this particular image. Indian Virtual Herbarium, India's biggest virtual database of flora, was launched by Botanical Survey of India. It is a digital database of plants and preserved part of plants with labeled information. A herbarium is a collection of plant samples related with information for long-term study. The herbarium provides information on plants in different categories. Each record in a digital herbarium includes an image of the preserved plant specimen, scientific name, collection locality, and collection date, collector name, and barcode number. The digital herbarium also includes features to extract the data state-wise, and users can search plant for their own states, which will help them identify regional plants and in building regional checklist. Let's understand what is Indian Virtual Herbarium. A herbarium specimen is consist of dried and preserved plant with information on scientific name and collection data. It has an immense use in plant identification, systematic studies, and ecological studies. RAO'S scheme. It is launched by the Government of India for the farmers across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The scheme aims to create market linkage support for the shipment of agriculture and horticulture perishable being harvested in Jammu and Kashmir through air cargo. The key features of the schemes are: under this scheme, 25% subsidy on freight charges is given for carrying perishable fruit harvested in Jammu and Kashmir for shipment through air cargo. The subsidy is provided to farmers through the direct benefit transfer mode. The scheme will also boost the employment opportunities for the local. It also aims at increasing the overall income and living of the farmers. Shri Jagdeep Dhankar is elected as the 14th Vice President of India, whereas the incumbent Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu will complete his term on 11th of August. Mr. Dhankar is a lawyer by profession. He served as the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs in the Janata Dal government led by the Chandrasekhar. He also served as the Governor of West Bengal. Let's understand something about Office of Vice President. Article 63 of the Constitution provides that there shall be a Vice President of India. The post of Vice President has been taken from America, and it is the second highest constitutional post in India. Let's understand the powers and functions of Vice President. Article 64 says that there shall be an ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. As the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, he provides over the proceeding of the House. But as the Vice President, as such, no functions has been assigned to him in the Constitution. He draws his salary in the capacity of chairman of Rajya Sabha in accordance with Article 65. In case of any vacancy in the office of the President due to death, resignation, or removal, Vice President shall act as President until the date when on which new President elected. Let's understand the election procedure of the Vice President. As per Article 66, the election of the Vice President is indirect and in accordance with the system of proportional representation by the means of single transferable vote and secret ballot. The electoral college which elects the Vice President consists of members of both the House of the Parliament. Dalai Lama honored with the Ladakh's highest civilian award, that is Palgam Dastan Award. He was honored with the award for his immense contribution to the humanity, especially towards the Union Territory of the Ladakh. Union government withdrew the Personal Data Protection Bill. The central government decided to withdraw the bill as it undergone intense scrutiny by Joint Parliament Committee, and it would be replaced by a new bill that will provide a comprehensive legal framework related to the digital privacy. The bill had been widely criticized for being biased toward the data collection entity. A few experts also criticize the bill as a violation of right to privacy, which is fundamental right that is guaranteed under the Article 21. Let's see what is Article 21 it's all about. Article 21 that deals with the right to life and right to privacy says no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by the law. This right is available to both citizens and non-citizens. As the time passes, Article 21 also undergone greatest changes due to liberal interpretation by the Apex Court. Honorable Supreme Court in Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and another versus Union of India recognized right to privacy as the fundamental right that is guaranteed by the Constitution within Article 21 in particular and Part 3rd on the whole. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to hit the like button, comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button so never miss any update. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.